Our students are involved in activities that are motivating and invigorating. Mrs. McEwen, a Hoover Middle School literacy teacher, noticed her students were a little sluggish in the mornings and needed an activity to get their blood pumping and brains working. She conducted an intelligence test and noticed many of her students had musical intelligence as a strength. Building off this discovery, she adapted a song and dance to help her students get active and promote reading at the same time. Here are the Hoover Middle School 6th grade literacy classes participating in a reading flash mob titled Gotta Keep Reading, Hoover, based on the Black Eyed Peas song, I Got a Feeling.
Gotta keep reading, 'cause this book's gonna be a good book. 'Cause this book's gonna be a good book. 'Cause this book's gonna be a good book to read. Ooh, 'cause this book's gonna be a good book. 'Cause this book's gonna be a good book. 'Cause this book's gonna be a good book to read. I got that book and turn the page. You'll never know just what you'll find. Information or fantasy, drama and art, all make you smart. I know that you'll have a ball if you turn off the TV and just read them all. Just think, with a book you'll be so entertained. Hoover has the best readers in IA. Fill up my mind with nonfiction. Let's get the facts and use them up. Collaborate, graduate, feed your brain, and then we'll just keep on reading and reading and reading and reading and reading and reading and reading. Let's read some more reading and reading and reading, reading, reading and reading and reading and reading. We gotta keep reading, 'cause this book's gonna be a good